the goat. In the name of God, the merciful, the compassionate, by the one who created the heavens and the earth, none is greater than he, the eternal, the sustainer of all worlds. They call themselves the greatest, yet the breath of life is not their own to command. Have you not reflected on the goat, a creature of humility, providing milk and meat by God's decree? It was chosen as a ransom for the son of Abraham, a symbol of sacrifice, submission, and faith. Thus, the goat bore the burdens of life spared and became a sign for the nations. Yet mankind, in their arrogance, named themselves the greatest, forgetting the one who holds all power in his grasp. On the day when all secrets are laid bare, even Iblis, the deceiver, will kneel and proclaim, "Truly, you are the greatest." The mountains will crumble, the seas will boil, and none shall stand except by his mercy. O children of Adam, do not elevate yourselves above what you are, for the goat, lowly in station, fulfills his purpose with dignity. The true greatness lies in servitude to the Creator, as the goat serves by giving, and the heart is purified by sacrifice. Will you not then humble yourselves before him, who brings forth sustenance from the earth and rain from the skies? Indeed, God alone is the greatest. To him belongs the dominion of the heavens and the earth, and to him shall all return. Amen.